Hi, it's Colleen and welcome to the WOW YouTube channel. I hope you'll subscribe to our channel so you never miss another one of our videos. Today, as part of the June challenge, I'm going to show you how to build rich ombre color with WOW powders and coordinating inks. Catherine Pooler has designed some embossing powders that coordinate with some of her inks. Here we have Cummerbund, Skylight, and all that jazz. And there are embossing powders that match those inks, which is a fantastic idea. So you can see as I show you a close-up of Cummerbund, how the embossing powder matches the color of that ink. Now with Skylight, you have the color in there, but you also have some ultra high embossing powder, which really gives it some texture and interest. And the same applies with All That Jazz. You have the color in the embossing powder, but also you have ultra high embossing powder. So it's really fun. Now here's what it looks like when you do an ombre effect using those three colors.